In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a data file from Pipedrive. Exporting your data is really useful when you want to run deeper reports, share information with your team, back up your records, or work with your data in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through the process slowly and clearly so you feel confident doing it on your own, even if you're not very technical. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and that you have the right permissions to export data. Some accounts restrict exporting to certain user roles, so if you don't see the options I mention, you may need to check with your account administrator. Once you're in Pipedrive, look up to the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials or a small avatar. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu with your personal and account-related options. In that drop-down, look for the section labeled Tools and Apps. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Pipedrive groups together various utilities that help you manage and move your data. Inside this area, find and select the option called Export Data. This will take you to the main export page. On the export page, the first thing you'll do is choose the type of data you want to export. Pipedrive stores different kinds of records, such as deals, people, organizations, or activities. Use the data type selection to pick what you need. For example, if you want to analyze your pipeline performance, you might choose Deals. If you're building a contact list, you might choose People. Take a second here to double-check that you've selected the correct data type so you don't end up exporting the wrong set of records. Next, you'll choose the format for your export file. Pipedrive gives you options like Excel and CSV. If you prefer to open the file directly in Excel or a similar spreadsheet program, the Excel option is usually the most convenient. If you plan to import this data into another system or use it in various tools and scripts, CSV is a very flexible choice. Both contain the same information. The difference is mainly how other tools read them. Once your data type and format are set, click the Export button. Pipedrive will now prepare your file in the background. For smaller datasets, this usually happens quickly. For larger accounts with lots of records, it might take a little longer. After the export is ready, you'll see a cloud icon appear, often in a list of recent exports. Click that cloud icon to download your file to your computer. Choose a location where you'll remember it, like your desktop or a dedicated exports folder, and consider naming or organizing it in a clear way so you can find it later. And that's it. You've successfully exported a data file from Pipedrive, and you're ready to use it in whatever workflow or reporting process you need.